Okay, I'm going to give it one more shot and see if I can get it to go over 29 seconds of recording. I don't know what happened to that. It used to be recording for however long I wanted it to record. This is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20. You know, sometimes you get what you pay for. Other times you get stuff free, but you got to pay for it anyway. If you ever wanted to know why your OBS record can only do a limited amount of seconds or minutes, and you wish you could record more time on it, stay tuned. This should help you. A real simple fix. I just downloaded the OBS new version 22.0.2, 64-bit for Windows, and I noticed that my record length, I could not go over like 29 seconds on recording. That's no good. Here's a real quick, easy fix for that. Open up your OBS, go up to your toolbar menu, select Tools. Underneath the Tools menu, select your Output Timer. It brings up a little nifty menu right here, and you want to go to the second half of this menu, which is for recording. Start recording after so many hours, minutes, or seconds. Enable checked. A recording timer every time. Check that off. And then when you're done with those, go to Close. And now you are set to go with whatever length of recording you want to do. Keep watching. Remember when we first began this journey, I can only do 29 seconds, and then I made the adjustment up to 2 hours. Well, I'm going to do a quick test. I'm not going to go to 2 hours, so I'm going to go anything over 30 seconds is going to be a success. So let's start the timer. And there we go. And again, all I did was download the new version of OBS, and it's changed some of my defaults that I had, like the length of the recording that I could make with OBS. I don't stream with it, I just use it for recording. So here we go. Anything, where are we at? 28, 29 seconds, 30 seconds, so it's like success. So if you're having trouble with your OBS not recording long enough for you, try this trick and see what happens. I think you'll be successful, hopefully. Okay, see you around again.